Hello and welcome along to part 4, or the final video in this series on how to create a vertical navigation system on a 3-page website. Okay, we've done all the hard yards, we've put our content in, we've used CSS to style our links and our menu just here. Let's have a look at that in Safari, what it looks like. It's great, it's all ready to go. Now we could click here and go home, but these 2 pages don't exist yet, so let's create those pages now. I'll just close down Safari, come back into Dreamweaver like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is go File, Save As. I'm going to save this page as here, image1.html. So it'll be image_1.html, which is great, and I'll save that in there like this. So now I've got 2 pages. If we were to navigate to the image 1, it'll look exactly the same as this page. But what I'm going to do is much the same as I did in the previous video. I'm simply going to go in here and change these pictures. So I might go into Code View to do that. I'm going to go in here, find the first picture, which is this one here, image 1. I'm just going to delete that and do it the easy way by going Insert Image up here, and I'm going to put in image 4 and open. Now my image 4, my alternative text, I'm going to put in Photoshop blurs like that, and OK, and there it is. Dreamweaver writes all the code for us. Let's have a look at that in Design View, and there it is there, a new picture like this. Okay, let's go back to Split View again, or actually Code View would be better. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go image like that, get rid of that image 2, and go Insert Image. This time I want image 5 like that, and I'm going to open that, and the alternative will say Screen Grab like this, and OK, and there it is. And while I'm here, I'll do the final one too. I'll select this one here and delete that, and simply go Insert Image. Now number 6 is the one I want, image 6. I'm going to open that, and it's a butcher bird landing like that. Okay, great. My alternative text. Let's have a look at that. If I go to Design View now, there's my butcher bird, my screen grab, and my new images on my Images 2 page. Very nice indeed. Let's go back to code. Now I need to change the headline, I need to change the paragraph text too, but right now I'm simply going to just change the head inside the H1 here by selecting that and typing in Photoshop blurs like that. And the second one will be if I go down here, it's not a Metropolis website anymore, it's a screen grab like that. And the last one down here in the H1 will be a butcher bird landing like that. That's my headline. So let's have a look at that in Design View. Butcher bird landing, great, screen grab, and Photoshop blurs. I could have put that in capitals, but I'll leave it in lowercase just for this exercise. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to preview in Safari and save. So here's my page 2 like this with my new pictures, and now I should be able to navigate back home. As you see, I navigated back home, and there's my home page. If I click on image 1, it'll now take us to this series of images, and now all I have to do is do exactly the same thing. Go back in here, go back into split view like this, and that page is finished. So I'm going to go File, Save As. Now I need to get it exactly right. Before I do that, I should be looking at the code so I get it exactly what it's called. It's called image2.html. So I'm going to go File, Save As. Instead of image 1, it'll be image 2. And this is my 3rd page, if you like, inside my 3-page series. I'm going to click Save like that, and now I simply do the same thing I did before. I'll go into Code View to do that. I'll go in here and just grab that first image tag and get rid of it like this, and insert image like that. This time I go to image 7 like this, and I'll open that, and I know it's a retouch like that, and OK. And I'll just change this up here too while I'm there. I'll change that to retouch. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's go and do the next one down like this. Select this one, delete it, go to insert image. I want image 8, and I'm going to click open like that, and I know this is a duotone image in my alternative text, and OK like that, and I'll just change this here to duotone like that. And the final one, I'll go down the bottom down here and delete this one here, and make sure I've got a bit of a space in there, and I'll insert the last image. In this case it's going to be image 9. I'm going to open that, and I know that image 9 is a kookaburra like that, kookaburra I should say, and OK. Fantastic, and I'll just change that butcher bird landing to kookaburra by selecting that, and kookaburra like that S key. Okay, and that's it. Let's refresh that and have a look at it in design view, and now I have a whole lot of different pictures like this. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to save that, or I'm going to preview it in a browser, preview it in Safari. I'm going to save that, and there it is. If I click on image 1, it takes me to there. Click on image 2, it takes me to this new page like that, and there it is, my 3-page navigation in action. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another series of videos.